Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace the alternator on a Ford Edge. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring a smooth repair. Before we begin, gather your tools: a 13mm socket, a 15mm socket, a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a serpentine belt tool. Having these items ready will save you time and effort. Let's get started and restore power to your vehicle efficiently. Now, let's prepare for removal. First, disconnect the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench to ensure safety. Next, carefully remove the air intake tube and the entire air filter housing. This step provides crucial space to reach the alternator. Then, use your serpentine belt tool to release the tension on the drive belt, allowing you to easily remove it from the alternator pulley. This clears the path for the next steps. With the belt off, it's time to remove the old alternator. Disconnect the electrical connector and the main power wire, typically a 13mm nut. Then, remove the two 15mm mounting bolts that hold the alternator in place. Once the bolts are out, carefully work the old alternator free from its mounting bracket. Now, position your new alternator into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting holes. This is a critical step for proper fitment. Finally, let's put everything back together. Secure the new alternator with its two 15mm mounting bolts and reconnect the main power wire and electrical connector. Carefully route and reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it sits correctly on all pulleys. Reattach the air filter housing and the air intake tube. Lastly, reconnect the negative battery cable. Start your Ford Edge and check the dashboard for any battery or charging system warning lights. You've successfully replaced your alternator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.